2025 GMC Sierra 3500 HD powers through rugged terrain, its massive grille and LED headlights cutting through the dust. The bold, aggressive design commands attention, with chrome and blacked out accents adding a touch of customization. Rolling on massive 22-inch wheels, it stands tall, built for both work and style. The hood lifts, revealing a powerhouse beneath. The 6.6-liter V8 gas engine delivers 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque, while the Duramax Turbo-Diesel unleashes 470 horsepower and a massive 975 pound-feet of torque. Paired with the 10-speed Allison automatic transmission, this truck is ready for anything. A heavy trailer hitches up, and the Sierra 3500 HD pulls effortlessly, climbing steep inclines with ease. With the best-in-class 36,000 pound towing capacity when properly equipped, it's built for the toughest jobs. Trailer blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and an upgraded towing package make hauling safer and more controlled. Inside, the cabin is a blend of power and refinement. Premium full-grain leather wraps the seats, open-pore wood trim adds elegance, and a 13.4-inch touchscreen with Google built-in takes center stage. A 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 15-inch heads-up display bring vital information to the driver with clarity, while the Bose premium audio system fills the space with rich, immersive sound. On the highway, hands-free driving takes over. Super Cruise technology allows effortless cruising on compatible roads, adjusting speed and steering automatically. Advanced safety systems like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control work together to keep every journey secure. As the sun sets, the Sierra 3500 HD rolls into the horizon, its taillights glowing, starting at around $47,000 and reaching past $95,000 for the Denali Ultimate. This truck is built for those who demand power, luxury, and innovation. Is this the ultimate heavy-duty truck? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.